Hello? Hello? Come. Hello. Come on. Come on. Get it. Come and get it. Come and get it. Yay! Good job. Teka. Come here. Bring it. Bring it over to me. Oh, Sebastian, oh. Look, I have it. I have it. Why don't you walk towards Mom? Okay, here, over here. Sebastian, no more. It's here with me. Come on, get it. No, don't crawl. Oh, come on, come on. Ay, lakad-lakad siya, oh. Come on. Oh, sige, sige, liga. Come. Come here. Oh. Wait, where are you going? Pac-Man. Oh, anak, he's avoiding you. Maybe you should walk over to Pac-Man. Don't crawl, just walk. That's so cute. Oh, Pac-Man went up the couch. Naghahabulan kayo. Ayun, anak. No more. Pac-Man is gone. Look, Pac-Man. Sebastian, Pac-Man is over there. Come on, go. Ay! Come on. Sebastian. Sebastian, look, Pac-Man, oh. He's over there. Pac-Man's over there. He went back to the... Oh, he's back on the chair. Come on. No crawling. I wanted you to walk. I wonder what Pac-Man will do. Oh, he left. Oh, where is he? Kikipaghabulan ka pa kay Pac-Man, ha? Pac-Man. No more. Basti! Basti, Pac-Man's over here. Here. Come on. See? Oops! Pac-Man's over there. Sebastian, look! Pac-Man's over there. Basti! Wait! Sebastian, come! Pac-Man is over here. Come on. You know what? It's better if you walk.